Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix your function keys not working in Windows 11. So it's a very simple process. Let's get straight into it. So this can be fixed with your keyboard. It's nothing software based, it's all on your keyboard. So what you can do is to enable your FN function keys. You have two different options since it's different for every computer. So you can hold your FN key and hold the escape button at the same time, okay, and that should enable your Windows function keys. Or if you're using a computer like the Windows Surface, you can hold the FN key and click on your caps lock button okay, that should also enable your function keys. So this is the two variation to enable your function keys, and I hope this video helped you. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching, folks.